Alright guys, so like in many things in life, there was some good news and some bad news. The hissing sound is not solved, but this, oh my gosh, this definitely needed to be changed because look at the corrosion that's going on. This has been in, obviously, water for a long time, but I didn't know that rubber would pretty much melt. I mean, this is absolutely disgusting. Anyway, it's one of the many things people don't understand about being homemakers. It's not the same as it was in the old days. Now, homemakers have to do plumbing, electrical, sometimes they'll have to paint, fix all kinds of stuff around the house. So it isn't really the same kind of job as it was in the old days. You don't just call the plumber, you don't just call the electrician, you do it all yourself. So, anyway, interesting, isn't that? Anybody want some of this glubby fun?
Likey